Good morning! So I will start now and I will go back into the Wicklow Mountains because there is a lake and a bridge. They were both used in several movies. The lake was part of the Vikings series and the bridge, you can see it here. It's the PS I Love You bridge. So I'll check this out. And after that I will go southwest and I will see how far I can go to the start of the Wild Atlantic Way. That is the plan for today, so let's go! Well, it's not raining at the moment, but I put my gear on because it said 100% rain on the weather forecast, so I'll just keep the gear on. Super nice B&B, really. So first I'll go into the village because I need some fuel and I have to keep left. First thing in the morning to remember, keep left. I saw that the lake I want to go to is private owned, so you cannot go to the lake, but there is a viewpoint on top where you can check out the lake, and maybe if it stays dry like now, maybe I'm able to fly my drone. I'm not sure yet. I'll go here. Entrance, okay. Unloaded E10. Do they only have E10? Kerosene, what? It's always the same, huh? So they only have E10 petrol. Okay. Now I turn left. Okay. Oh look, there are a lot of people. Oh yeah, that is. Oh wow. Look at that. That is amazing. We'll see. Actually, that is insane to own a lake. I think lakes should be free for everyone. Looks like they broke a window, and they have these signs all over the place that people steal out of the cars. Unbelievable. That is really beautiful. I thought actually that seagulls and rain would be the problem for flying the drone, but it seems that wind is a huge problem here. I was right over the lake and got a wind warning again on the drone, and then the battery dropped down because of course it needs far more battery for stabilization, so it dropped down to 4 minutes while I was over the lake. Usually it comes back at 5 minutes, and I had 4 minutes and I was, I think, 780 meters away, so I was kind of worried. Yeah, I don't know. This wind is also a problem here. Right on the road, yeah, here it is. So they used this bridge in a movie. Hard to imagine. Wait, I can stand right there at the bridge. That's beautiful. The river's really nice. I love these rivers. I changed to the Awesome navigation because Kalimoto isn't working again. It's not like I pay for premium, huh? Wow. Just lovely. There was a deer that crossed the road in front of me. What a cutie. Oh, look. There's the castle. Rock of Cashel. Wow, that looks amazing. Oh, look, there's one. Do you hear that? They're silent. The Rock of Cashel was the seat of the kings of Munster for hundreds of years before the Norman invasion. In 1101, the King of Munster gave the fortress to the church. Today it's celebrated for its unique charm and remarkable Celtic art and medieval architecture. The oldest and tallest structure on the site is the Round Tower, which stands 28 meters high and dates back to around the year 1100. It was originally built using the dry stone method, but mortar was added in some areas to make it safer.
Most of the other buildings you see today were built in the 12th and 13th centuries, as only a few earlier structures have survived. The weather is so good, I'm not used to that. Oh, okay. So, now the same struggle starts, like every day. I don't know where to sleep. So I checked accommodation in Cork because that was the plan for today, but they have only 2 hostels, which is not a problem, but I don't think I have safe parking there. I called one of the hostels and they told me I should park at the train station, and I will definitely not leave my bike at the train station. That will not happen. So I have to find another place, and I saw there is a campsite which is close to the, nah, not that close to the coast, so I thought I could check it out. The other option is to find a good B&B again, but I think they're also expensive. Yesterday I was super lucky because she gave me the room for 40 euros. That is not the normal price. There's so many cows. I don't know. Why is it closed? Okay, I will see. There's someone. I have to call them. 87. My GoPro battery died, but it is 25 euros. I put up my tent here in this lovely place next to the sheep. I really like that. But now I will leave again and get myself some dinner. I'll put it out in the other direction. Do I have my key? I guess it's still on the motorbike. Yep, it is. There they are. Hello. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Wow, look at this. That is beautiful. That's a good idea to come here. Calgan River. The old bank. I'll roundabout. Just go here. Wow. That looks so cool. So I'm already in my tent. I built everything up and I'm already in my sleeping bag because it's so cold. But I wanted to show you the route I took today. I started up here in Wicklow and then I went all the way over here where I visited the Rock of Cashel, and then I drove down here and I'm now between Waterford and Cork. That was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and see you for the next video. Bye.